Ladies and gentlemen, my dog. He's the devil. Hey everybody, just wanted to say, yay, I'm posting Zelda videos again, yay! I'm a little psyched that I have Wi-Fi. I posted 5 videos yesterday, so I'm like YouTube spamming. It's great. I'm hurrying to my 200th video, and do it one video at a time, and I'll be there in no time. It's great, just great. Please subscribe. If you didn't care about this video, I don't care about you. I'm gonna eat your soul. Bye! Some people say he's my brother. Some people say he's a monster. But he is my dog. Thank you for watching.